This makes my morning magical. I drink coffee pretty much every morning, and I'm definitely not the only one. Coffee culture is so ingrained here in the US, and especially here in Austin. People build entire business empires off of this guy here, and you'd be hard pressed to find a square mile that doesn't have a coffee shop. So, like anything else that's popular, there are a lot of criticisms.
Caffeine can produce an increase in heart rate and blood pressure, irritability, anxiety, nausea, diarrhea, heartburn, and insomnia.
All kinds of accusations are thrown around about it, from over-caffeination to staining teeth to outright addiction. That's some heavy stuff. But for as many detractors of coffee as there are an equal number of defenders.
Health benefits of coffee, published in the Annals of Internal Medicine. People who drank 1.5 to 3.5 cups a day had a lower associated risk of what we call all-cause mortality.
But that's not why I drink coffee. I don't drink coffee to be healthy. That's what my protein shakes and vitamins are for. I drink it because it wakes me up and it makes me feel good. We know it isn't gonna kill us, so why can't we have things that we just enjoy on their own merit without having to justify them or shoot them down? I drink coffee for one reason. Simply because it makes me happy.